They said that OC Games couldn't deliver, but as you can see, it was unsubstantiated fantasy. Lies, lies, lies.
Hey nerds, welcome to All Critical, where we never give up, we never say die, we walk tall with banners high, and we sound the battle cry. That's right, Yo Joe. This is G.I. Joe Operation Cobra, the board game by OC Games. I did the Commander pledge. I'm going to do an unboxing today. Like I said, I did the Commander, so I have all of them. What I'm going to do, I'm going to start just with this one, with the core game box, and like and subscribe if you want to see the others. They will be popping up. I will do videos for the other unboxings too. It's a 1 through 4 player game. It's campaign mode, or you can do individual missions. There's also an expansion where you can not play as the Joes, but actually play as the Cobra operatives, which I will be unboxing on one of my later videos. So let's get started. Let's see what's inside this. See the box art there. Those. It's a rule book. I have a feeling it does what most rule books do. Probably has rules in it, stuff like that. I love the art on here too, by the way. It's awesome. Here's the campaign guide, the individual missions, as well as the campaign missions, all ready to play. Map tiles, the tokens that need to be punched out. Isn't that everybody's favorite part, punching out the tokens for their game? Let's see, minis. Back to those. Let's see, we got the dice, the character cards. So at the end, I'm going to go over each mini individually. As you see, we got Dr. Mindbender, Cobra Commander, Snake Eyes, Major Blood, Scarlet, Roadblock. We got some troopers, we got some bats, Battle Android troopers. Wow, we even got Zartan, there's Duke, Firefly. Yeah, we got the works here. Well, we're going to come back to that. We're going to go through all those. Let's see right here. It's nice. I like the way this is contained. Got the dice here. Okay, not too shabby. I believe these are to hold up the doors and whatnot. That's what these stands are for. Obviously, they're not for the minis. Cards, equipment, oh, even the enemy cards. We'll crack those open later. And now I want to focus on the figures. These are these cards that came with it. Let's see. These cards look just like the backs of the action figures where you would cut out. You would cut out the little file and save it. This is Roadblock, Scarlet, Snake Eyes, Duke, Major Blood, Crockmaster, an Officer, Trooper, Viper, Techno Viper, Dr. Mindbender, Cobra Commander. There's a Battle Android Trooper, there's a bat, Zartan, Firefly, and we're back to Roadblock again. These, when you get hurt in game, you flip it over, there's wounded side. I thought that was awesome. Reminds me of Star Wars Imperial Assault. Same way. Not very similar. So I'm going to stop right here, and I'm going to come back and I'm going to do the individual figures. As promised, I'm going to do the individual minis. Let's see, here's Duke. Scarlet. Roadblock. Snake Eyes. Cobra Commander. Zartan. Firefly. Major Blood. Crockmaster. Dr. Mindbender. There's a Cobra Bat. Cobra Trooper. Cobra Officer. There's a Viper. Last but not least, the Techno Viper. Make sure to come check with us for more. And if you didn't know about the G.I. Joe Operation Cobra board game, now you know, and knowing is half the battle.
Remember to like, comment, and subscribe.